Morning guys. Today's Saturday. Courier po the dad. Today guys in Saturday. Si Mr. John Cristomo Lira High Misari Ilo. Ito na guys yung kanyang this I think like 8 o'clock, just now it's 7:30. Burha Funeral Home guys. This all family, grandson of the Mr. Ilo. Is it guys? Tingnan sa dito guys. Mamaya. Yeah, that is like my close friend and long neighbor too. That's my partner before drinking with me in the time. After 1999, I'm already a mild stroke, and that continues drinking. But they already stopped 6 years and not drinking guys. Oh, like raining little bit guys. Continuous lang natin to mamimay guys ang ating pagbibideo kay Mr. Ilo. So condolence to Ilo family. Right, good morning. Like me die guys. My diabetes goes very strong, like always drunk every day too. Yeah. Okay guys, continuous na natin mamaya pag lumabas na sila. Hindi ako kasama guys. Init. Right. Guys, almost starting to perhaps going to the San Antonio Church. By the way, Pops and me guys like very long friend too. That's why Pops is calling for him. Pops or Dad, because Dad with me like I really like he called me son and mom.
Bigat yan sa kabaong lang niya.
Sorry guys. I can control myself. Was that long time also we've been drinking like almost everything in the time, and that time I not my stroke in 1999. my last kiss for him. That the time I'm going to the state. I thought I not come back here in Saipan because may something happened me in Sacramento, guys. My back is very pain. I cannot walk, and also I'm panic. Lucky one guy, Mr. B, that one helping me to give that medicine. Condolence to the Halo family and by that yun lang pagdating ko. Gusto yung bisitahin ko saan ng araw na yun. Busy naman ako, guys. Nang bisitahin ko na si dad na sabi ni mom that's going to the in the Guam, but that the time I came I see dad, mom in the outside with Bobby talking, drinking beer, and then that's mom is surprised to me that guys, but only like for this and that he leaving to go to Guam. And I heard this happen, that sickness too. But that is a real long time has happened, that one. Like me, I have diabetes, high blood, gout, and kidney, guys. Still fighting. Not like my father already, guys, because I'm already staying here. This place 18 years. And si dad is my close friend, my neighbor, and drinking almost every day in the time. But this time I'm not too much drinking, guys. I know I was fighting my diabetes. That's my story about that and with me, guys. Magbabay na lang tayo, guys, mamagitad, guys. Hindi na ako sasama kasi gabi na rin ako natulog, guys. Already like 3 o'clock in the morning. So, guys, that Papa Jen, that's emotion, you know. I cannot avoid that one. I am only a human being. That's why I always say that life is short. You every day love your own enemy, your neighbor. Someday you cannot see it every day anymore. That's why I always asking you guys, I love you guys. I love Mama. I love you, Mama in the sea. I love you all, guys. Continue lang natin, guys. Mamaya. Sorry that again. my dad. Alright guys, this is it. My dad.